Hello everyone, welcome to the Crypto Intel channel. Today we'll be conducting a technical analysis of the KASPA coin and discussing the best entry points for today. Before we start the video, I'd like to ask you to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and click the bell icon so you can always stay up to date on what's happening in the market. It takes you literally a second, but for me it's motivation to improve the quality and level of the videos on the channel. We have a lot to discuss, so let's get started right away. KASPA's current structure is forming within a zone of strong consolidation and neutral balance, where the price is holding within a range of approximately 0.033 to 0.034. This is confirmed by the fact that the market remains near a key support level and is showing weak momentum without any clear direction. The main change over the past 24 hours is an even further decline in volatility and the absence of any directional movement. The price is moving within a narrow range and volumes remain low. This indicates not weakness in the asset, but a consolidation phase before a move. From a technical standpoint, a neutral bearish backdrop persists. The price is below short-term moving averages. RSI is around 50, neutral. Most indicators are not giving a clear signal. This means the market has not yet decided on a direction. At the same time, it is important to note, KASPA remains a high beta asset, meaning it reacts strongly to overall market movements. Recent movements confirm this. The price is simply mirroring the broader market without any independent momentum. Now, the key structure. KASPA continues to trade within a range. Support 0.033 to 0.032 to 0.030. Resistance 0.036 to 0.038 to 0.040. This range has remained unchanged for several days now, but what's important is that it's narrowing. Highs are gradually declining, while lows are holding steady. This creates a classic squeeze pattern, which almost always ends with a breakout. Now, liquidity. Above 0.038 to 0.040 are short stop-loss orders. Below 0.033 are long stop-loss orders. This means the market is caught between two liquidation zones, and as soon as one side is broken, the movement will accelerate. Additionally, it's worth considering the market's current behavior. KASPA is currently underperforming the market, indicating a temporary lack of interest, but such phases often precede a sharp return of volatility. Now, the structure within the range. You can observe a decline in aggressive selling, tighter candle closes, an absence of strong pullbacks. This indicates a gradual weakening of sellers. However, buyers have not yet demonstrated sufficient strength to break through resistance. This creates a deadlock. Now, the key factor is time. KASPA has been in a sideways trend for quite some time, and the longer this phase lasts, the stronger the subsequent momentum will be. This is due to the accumulation of liquidity and positions within the range. Now, the scenarios. Bullish scenario. A consolidation above 0.036 to 0.038 will provide the first signal of strength. A break above 0.040 will confirm the structural shift. Targets 0.045, 0.050 plus. The move may accelerate due to short liquidations. Bearish scenario. A break below 0.033 will lead to an accelerated decline. Targets 0.030, 0.027 to 0.025. This is the zone of previous accumulation and strong liquidity. Now, an important element, false breaks. Before a real move, the market almost always either knocks out liquidity from below or gathers stops from above. Therefore, a breakout of a level without consolidation is not a signal. The signal is the reaction after the breakout. Now, the short-term dynamics. A weak attempt at an uptrend is forming on lower timeframes but without volume. This means that the price action may continue within the range for a while longer. However, the likelihood of a breakout is increasing. Now for the final picture. KASPA is currently in a state of volatility compression, neutral momentum, liquidity balance. This is not a move. This is preparation for a move. The key range remains 0.033 to 0.040. As long as the price remains within this range, the market is undecided, but as soon as a breakout occurs, the movement will be sharp. Volatility will increase. The direction will become clear. If we take a closer look at the current structure, it becomes clear that the market is not merely consolidating, but forming a decision-making zone where a critical volume of liquidity is accumulating. Under such conditions, even a small impulse can trigger a chain reaction. From the perspective of market participant behavior, we are currently observing a phase where early buyers are already in positions. Late entrants are waiting on the sidelines. Sellers are gradually losing the initiative. This creates a calm before the storm effect. Now it is important to pay attention to the nature of the level tests. The price has repeatedly approached the 0.036 to 0.038 zone, but has pulled back each time. However, with each new test, the reaction becomes weaker. This means that resistance is gradually weakening. Such dynamics often lead to a breakout because the level is not strengthening, it is wearing out. Now let's look at the lower boundary. The 0.033 level is holding steady, and sellers are unable to break below it. This indicates the presence of demand and support at this level. Thus, a classic scenario is unfolding. Upward pressure is easing. Support from below is holding. This increases the likelihood of an upward move, but it's important to understand that this is merely a probability, not a confirmation. Now let's look at liquidity in more depth. Within the current range, there is an accumulation of stop orders, limit orders, market participants' expectations, and when the price breaks out of the range, it captures this liquidity, which creates momentum. This is precisely why such movements often appear sharp and unexpected. Now let's consider the behavioral aspect. Most market participants are currently in a wait-and-see mode. And friends, don't forget to leave your thoughts on the KASPA coin in the comments below this video, what your plans, hopes, and expectations are for it. The best and most engaging comment will be featured in the next video. Just a reminder, friends, informational and news videos are posted on the channel every day, so you won't get bored here. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so you're always up to date on all the latest news. And if you liked this video, please support me with a like. Your like is my motivation. Thanks to everyone for watching, and see you next time.